Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make authentic dosa batter recipe from scratch, which turns out to be really tasty and authentic. And it doesn't even take much time. So let's dive into the recipe. To begin with, we will take 1 cup of biri dal, 1/2 cup of rice, add some water and let it soak for 2 hours. Now take 1 cup of rava or sooji and soak it for 20 minutes. Then wash the biri dal, that is urad dal and rice mixture, and grind it well with soft consistency. Add a little water while grinding. Now transfer the batter into a bowl. And add soaked rava or sooji into the grinded batter. Mix it well and add a pinch of salt as per your taste and mix the whole batter well. The batter is ready. Enjoy your dosas.